Are you going to drink your cider, sparkling apple cider? Okay, take a sip. Do you like it? You can drink it, Cade. Do you like your cider, Kaya? Take another sip, Kaya. What do you think of it? You like it?
What does it taste like? It's sour.
Spicy, not sour.
It's fizzy. It's okay, it's just fireworks.
Kaya, do you like that?